Hello and welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to re-enable the YouTube dislike button. Right, so the first thing to do, in your chosen browser, in the search bar search for Chrome Web Store, load that up. Once you've loaded that up, in the top left hand side in the search bar, search for YouTube dislikes. Now you will find a few different ones to choose from here, but I personally have found return YouTube dislikes one to be the best, so we will select that, install it. Next up you will see the latest updates and what's new with the extension. Just have a look, close that down, close all your windows and then reload them up again. Once that you're back on YouTube, just on the home screen, find a video you'd like to watch, click on it and load it up. Now you will see that next to the thumbs up and the thumbs down, the number of dislikes and likes have now appeared again. One last thing before we go, if you'd like to make any changes to the extension, click on the three dots on the top right of the browser, then go to More Tools, then Extensions. Here you'll see all the extensions you have currently, and you will see the return of the disliked extension where you can toggle it on or off temporarily or click on remove it. Right, well this concludes today's video. I do hope you found this helpful. If so, please drop a like and comment below and consider subscribing to the channel Into Tech. Thank you.